What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can deposit money to your PayPal account. Now please keep in mind that this is not available for all countries. This works mainly in countries that allows you to link your bank account directly to PayPal. So first I'm going to log in. So let me just log into my account. To link a bank account, select wallet. On your mobile phone, you select the little menu icon and then you select wallet. So here, select link bank or card. So I'm going to select the option to link a bank account. Here from the drop down list, you'll see the list of banks available that you can link. I'll be selecting RBC. So here you're going to log into your account. So I'm going to agree and link. It's taking a little while to log into my bank account. So if you have multiple accounts, then it will be asking you to choose which account you want to link. So here by default, my checking account is selected. So I'll be going with my checking account. So here I'm just going to select accept and link. So once your bank account is linked, select done. Now you need to go back to the home page. So from your main balance, select transfer money. Now under money in, select add money to your balance. Select your bank account. So within 3 to 5 business days, the money will be added to your bank account. So select next, specify the amount of money that you want to deposit, then select next. Once you have confirmed the amount, select add and then select done. So within the next 3 business days, the money will be deposited to my bank account. So I hope this video has helped you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.